Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash, and today I've got a car for you. I wasn't expecting this, but it came in and I'm excited about it. This one, it is the Lincoln Mark VII LSC Pro Street Edition. I've been wanting this kit for a lot of years. It was hard to come by for me for a while. This was re-released in 2023, which that's what this edition is here. So let's take a quick look at it. Oh, to the side of the box. Ooh, ah. Does have a real neat decal sheet. I like the paint job the way it is. Pretty cool. Okay. And they killed a poor plastic tree. It's not that bad. It's just one big bag for the white. So first off, out of the bag, looks like we have some roll bar parts, some nice looking headers. Very good. The heads. The hood, which I dropped. I like that hood. Good looking hood. And it appears to be straight. How about that? Cool. The passenger compartment. And more of the roll cage, narrowed 9-inch, and some cool seats. The dashboard, front pan, rear pan, steering column, and the wheel. Console. Ooh, door panels. Your wheel backs, part of the suspension. Okay, thank you, Finley. More of the suspension here in the bottom pan, which is apparently this was originally a 1990 release. How about that? But this is the 2023 edition. Here is the tub. Excuse me. The rest of the rear suspension. It's all pretty neat, and a nice looking body. I always like the look of these Lincolns. I had a brother-in-law with one of these once. Just a neat looking car. And then a ton of chrome. So here's our deep dish wheels, bumpers, front rims, mirrors. Ooh, that grill. Nice looking radiator, but in chrome. Yikes. Looks like a bottle of NOS. Some more engine parts. The pulleys all nice and chromed. Okay. Whoops. Some Ford Motorsports valve covers that look good. Ooh, these look awesome. These look awesome. What, Fanny Fan? Not right now. So here is the big meats for the back and the little skinnies for the front. Tail lights. And the clear pieces, I'm not going to open this up, but it has some nice looking tail lights. And it does have the visors on the glass. And here's that decal sheet. Wow. We've got a couple of different types of instruments, different colors of some of the markings here, and all these little, I don't know if they're rivets or quick fasteners, I'm not sure, but anyway, those are on the decal sheet. Very nice decal sheet. So here is, this tells us a little bit about it. color call-outs, your part call-outs, putting the seats together and into the interior. Some of the tub you got to do, some of the roll bar here, the dashboard, and definitely have some painting to do there, as well as some decals. That'll be nice. Putting together the front suspension, and finally getting to the motor, and it's a twin blower system apparently. Pretty neat. Yeah, that's gonna look awesome. Getting all these radiators and cooling fans and all sorts of stuff together. Your rear end, that rear suspension looks like it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. And here's the narrowed part, fuel cell, exhaust, and then putting the tires on. And then finally putting our front end together, our tail lights, tail end together, putting our glass in, and then wrapping it all up, putting the wing on the back. And here you go. A couple of different schemes you could paint it, and some decals that can go on there. I'm going to have to make some decisions on this. This is a cool car, but I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to paint it just yet. So there you go. You know, the nice chrome on the superchargers, those wheels. I love those wheels. So that's going to look really, really nice. Again, this is a kit that I've wanted for some time, but it keeps going in and out of production, and sometimes it's hard to find, sometimes it's hard to find for a good price. I finally picked it up for a decent price, so I got it. Well, thanks for joining us today, folks, and we'll see you again soon on The Stash.